Test the high voltage transformers for primary and secondary winding resistance. Are they functioning properly? If not, replace the high voltage transformers. If they are, test the filament transformers. Are they functioning properly? If they are not, go ahead and replace those transformers. If they are, test the capacitors. Are they functioning properly? If not, replace the capacitors. If they are, test the high voltage diodes. Are they functioning properly and wired properly? If not, replace the high voltage diodes. If yes, replace the magnetron.